What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today is Bimmer Invasion 2023 and we are so excited, guys. We've been waiting for this event all year long and the day has finally come. As you can see behind me, we got a bunch of M's. We got this beautiful M4 competition that we just finished up. We got Life of KG's Lime Rock E92 M3. You know, of course, we got our beautiful M4 competition. And then right here behind Eric, we got this beautiful chrome M3. It's looking amazing. As you can see, the lighting just looks nuts in here with this car. But anyways, guys, we're just doing a lot of prep before we head out to the event, a lot of last minute stuff. You know, that's how it goes when it comes to shows. But let me show you guys what's going on outside. There's a Coyote right here. We got the Coyote on the camera, look at that. Yeah, but anyway, guys, we got a Shell's G80 M3 right here. We just revealed it yesterday on Instagram, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure to check it out. We got Carlos finishing up some cars. We got Life of KG's M4 GTS. I think a few more cars are gonna come soon, and then we're all gonna head out once it's finished up. And we're gonna get on with the event. We're gonna show you guys basically the whole setup today. We're gonna show you all the cool stuff that Bimmer Invasion has to offer. It's gonna be a cool day. Stay tuned, guys. Make some noise. All right, guys, so we just pulled up to Bimmer Invasion. As you can see, it's a little chaotic. There's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of vendors are setting up right now. We're putting the tent up, then we're gonna get all the cars situated. My head is everywhere right now, but I know once everything's set up, I'm gonna be good. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we got all the cars set up. As you can see behind me, we got Kevin's M4 GTS. We got our buddy Enrique's G80 M3 competition. We got some people walking by right here. We also got our M4 competition. You can see we recently just finished this one up. We got our shop M4 as well. We got Mark's beautiful F80 M3 looking amazing. He recently did a whole new look, new wheels. Car looks absolutely menacing. If you squeeze through here very tightly, you can see even our boots fitment's good. We got Kevin's Lime Rock M3 right here in the back. We just finished setting up the booth. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. The sun's kind of being hidden by the clouds. Hopefully it stays like that. If you're watching this video, hopefully you guys came by and said hi. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're going around asking everyone what they do for a living. Kind of hard phone. No, it's all seriousness right now, guys. We're gonna do a little walk around. We're gonna check out we're gonna see what Bimmer Invasion has to really offer. We're gonna see if SoCal really holds it down. I know in Florida they did it big, but we're gonna show them how it's really done on here. Seriously, but yeah. Tons of G8Xs out here. This platform is super popular. We got our friends over here at Downstar. A lot of cool things they're offering here. All the bolts. This is the owner's car, I believe. This is Daniel M Life's M4. We got his M3 competition. Wow, check this out. This is something I'd love to build at the shop. This is beautiful. Oh my god. What are your thoughts on this? It's crazy.
It's outrageous.
Yeah, it's crazy. I like this a lot. This is nice. Wow. Let's check out the inside. Now, do we do this to our M4 as we prepare for SEMA? Okay, look at this. This is crazy. It's the seatbelt thing is up there. Wow. Yeah, so this is a road race car. This is not just a livery. This is really nice.
I own AA Concepts.
This is the owner, guys.
A lot of cars are still rolling in.
A lot of cars still rolling in.
A lot of good cars, a lot of good crazy builds out here, guys.
We're putting a lot of faces to builds as well.
For sure.
Yeah,
100%.
Look at this thing.
You got a solid booth, so.
Yeah, I think we have one of the best booths. Not to say anything, but
sure.
I mean, I'm just saying.
Check out the whips, you know.
Check out the whips.
Speaks for itself, so. Sure.
But yeah, what do we say next?
Shoot, I don't know.
On to the next clip. Am I the audio right now? You guys heard that was Valtronic's new F80 system. It sounds, I don't know how it sounds. We didn't hear it.
We install those.
Yeah, but yeah, anyways, guys, we're at the Valtronic booth right now. We install a lot of their products at the shop. We actually have their titanium system on our M4. It sounds amazing. They offer a bunch of different variants for mostly every BMW chassis. And it's probably one of the most popular exhausts for the BMW chassis as well. So super great product, and we love our relationship with them. Good stuff, Valtronic. Everyone's waiting.
Watch areas fly by right now.
So yeah, we're gonna see what's up right here at the Adra booth. I think they just released their new kit for the Supra. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm not too sure if that's their hood, but everything else looks really good. Fitment with their products is always spot on. We've installed so many and super happy with them. You can see this is their M4. We have the same kit on our car as well. Fitment, everything designed spot on, looks really good. Kind of similar to our color as well, but if our color was gloss. And then M2 kit. M2 looks sick. I love these BBS though. It's probably one of my favorite set of those from BBS. This color is pretty dope too. It's really loud, stands out, it's nice. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you're watching this video. I'm curious. Because those are nice.
One more time. One more time. Let's hit the chrome. All right. Let's hear purple. Listen. If you're root for one, stand up. Yeah, I think, listen, this one's really close. This one's really close. All three of them, let's hear all three of them. Let's hear all three of them. Come on, give me a break. All right, so I think it's very close, so let's do this. If you vote for the E30, stand up. All right, E30 got it. Just amazing.
What happened, bro? Say it to the camera, bro.
All right, we'll move on to best non-M.
Best M.
To say, sir.
So we just got the award for the best M.
What do you get?
You got best wheel setup.
Best
Jeez. What do you got to say for yourself?
Thank you, Kenny. I love you.
Oh, it's an I8.
Here, bro, Kenny.
License plate F34.
Best M.
B7.
Let's go.
Baby.
Two. Anthony won what? The best M, right? All right, Anthony, come over here. We'll take a better picture now. Absolutely, absolutely. I'll take care of them. All right. All right, so Anthony won 2 best M's, so he had both of the best M's. Once again, Anthony A. Concepts been family for us down here, so take a picture.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. If we
All right, guys, so the day is coming to an end. It's been a long, hectic, hot day, but it's been amazing. Bimmer Invasion 2023 has been nothing but a blast. We've had an amazing time. The booth and everything was phenomenal. All the people who came to see us was great. We actually took home 4 awards. We can show you guys right here. We got 2 Best of M's. Noe took home Best Engine Bay, and Mark some others throughout the award ceremony. He took home Best Wheel Setup. So super proud of my team, super proud of my guys. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Abe. Thank you, all of you guys. You know, we put tons of work in behind the scenes to make all this happen, and it's been a blast. We're probably gonna head out to the one in Florida, so stay tuned so you see us out there so we can show you guys our amazing builds. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.